corner of Mountain Avenue and Park Avenue in downtown Scotch Plains. You have a New Jersey Transit bus stuck in the water, a Yankee bus, and a Scotch Plains ambulance. If I push in down here, in that white car, I just watched them hook a guy up out of the car and then drag him with a rope to this side. I guess he was the driver of the car. That's the Scotch Plains Rescue Department there. And what you're looking at here, this is a 5-lane road. You are looking at runoff from the Watchung Reserve. It's probably 3 to 4 feet.
Representa el